Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, and it is October 9th, and this is my analysis of gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly gold dollar, I still personally think this right here is a correction to this move up. I still personally think this is eventually going to go up and probably take out all these highs, probably eventually to the $2,200 area, and maybe even a lot higher than that. So let's head down to that weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me, it still looks like a 1, 2, 3 pattern. So I am still looking at this as a correction, but instead of a correction to just this wave, it must now be a correction to the whole trend, not just the last wave. We do have a little bit of a reaction at the 50%, but I'm still not really convinced that it's over. I still think there's a chance that it may go down to like the 61.8 before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So let's head down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely a little bit of an odd pattern to me, but I can see the clarity that this is an A. To me, it looks like this could be like an A, B, C, D, E, or possibly it's just an irregular A, B, C, and this is actually a 1, 2, 3. Like this is a 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4, and it's going to go down for a wave 5. I actually think this is probably the most likely scenario: 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here. One thing is for sure is we have a nice downtrend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have a nice break of structure. So we are definitely making a move to the upside. Whether this move to the upside is actually the continuation of the uptrend like that, or whether it actually is a corrective move and ends up looking something like this and making 3 waves up and then pulse it down at a fib level and continuing the downtrend is the question that we're going to have. If this really is a 1 here, and this is a 2, and this is a 3, and then this is actually a 4, then this would probably do something like this, go up to the 38%, and then continue the downtrend for like a wave 5. So I am still looking at this move up as possibly a correction. So if we get like a 38% bounce, I would definitely take that as a short. So let's head down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame definitely looks like impulsive up, looks like a trend. It's either a wave A or a wave 1. I have no way of knowing, and the trading strategy is exactly the same for an A or a 1. I think eventually we probably are going to make a move down, but that move down is probably going to be either a B or a 2, and we should get another move up, which if it is a wave C, we'll probably go right to the 38%, make an impulsive move down, break structure, and continue the downtrend. If it's really a wave 3, then it probably still will bounce out to 38%, but it will never break structure, and it'll just keep on making higher highs and higher lows, all part of a big wave 3. So, as usual, we just have to pay attention to the patterns that the market makes, and if we do, then we should be able to tell whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3, and whether it's continuing the uptrend or whether it's like an ABC of 4, and it's going to end up continuing back down. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.